All right. So problem to the 10. Uh, the weight density of a mud is given by uh, y equals 10 plus 0.5h, where y is in gamma, no, gamma ito is in kilonewton per cubic meter and h is in meters. Determine the pressure in kilopascal at a depth of 5 meters. So if you look at the given, diba? The weight density is given by this one, gamma y or y, simply y, no? Y is equals to 10 plus 0.5h. Ano ba ang y natin naka-define? Our y, naka-define siya class kilonewton per cubic meter. So ano ito? Ang y natin naka-define is in kilonewton per cubic meter. So meaning, this one class is referring to unit weight, di ba? Ang unit kasi ng unit weight ay Newton per cubic meter. Okay. So our H, no? Our H naka-define, ang H natin is in meters. Okay, is in meters. So makikita mo class sa given, y equals 10 plus 0.5h, which is our unit weight. Ang unit weight natin class, naka-function siya, no? Ang unit weight natin depende sa height. Diba? Hindi constant ang unit weight na binigay dito. Hindi katulad ng previous problem natin, unit weight constant na yun, no? Kahit saan point or kahit sa anong depth or height, the same pa rin ang unit weight. So ngayon, makikita din naman natin, no? The unit weight depends on the height. For example, if your height is 0, ano ang kanyang unit? Sorry. If height is 0, ano ang unit weight niya? Of course, 10 kilonewton per cubic meter. Diba? O pag height niya ay 1, if height is equals to 1 meter and the unit weight is 10 plus 0.5 times 1, that is 10.5, no? 10.5 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, pag ang height niya is 2, then 11 kilonewton per cubic meter. So makikita mo class, paiba-iba ang unit weight, no? Nakadepende 'yon sa h natin or sa depth, no? Okay? So we cannot use, kasi paiba-iba nga ang unit weight, we cannot use, kasi we are solving class for pressure, no? We cannot use pressure, which is just simply as unit weight times height, no? Kasi nga paiba-iba ang unit weight natin, nakadepende yun sa height. So we cannot use simply as pressure P is equals to y times h. So kung intindihin natin ang problem, no? Let's say ito ang mud natin. Yan. Okay. Yan, no? So yan ang mud natin. So assuming nandito class nandito ang height from this point up to dito 5 meters. 5 meters yun, okay. So at this point sa 0, ang unit weight natin is 10. Pag naging 1, ang unit weight natin is 10.5. Pag naging 2, 11. So paiba-iba class ang pressure, di ba? So he is asking for the pressure at 5 meters. So ibig sabihin, you have to add, no? You have to add pressure dito, i-add mo yan, i-add mo, kasi paiba-iba din yung pressure niya, kasi paiba-iba din ang unit weight. So ang pressure paiba-iba din, di ba? So you have to add. Simply, ang ibig sabihin ng add is summation, di ba? Summation. And that is actually integral. Okay, that is actually integral calculus. Okay, so paano natin gawin? So you have to sum up, di ba? You have to sum up YH, no, to solve for pressure. Di ba? You have to sum up for YH. And follow? And then, so since summation yan, which is integral, no, which is integral yan, so that is actually integral of y, which is your h natin ay differential height. No, yan na yung, ito na yung pressure natin from 0 to 5. Okay? So you just substitute it. Pressure P is equals to the integral of, no, from 0 to 5. Ano ba yung y natin? 10 plus 0.5 h dh. We can use directly calculator to solve for the pressure 5 meters, no, below. At a depth of 5 meters, we can solve for the pressure, no? Integral natin, that is actually sum. Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng integral, summation yan, no? Summation. So from 0 to 5, kasi sa 0, iba din yung specific weight. Pag 1 meter depth, iba din ang specific weight. Pag 2, may iba din ang specific weight. So definitely ang pressure, iba din. So paiba-iba din ang value. So you have to sum up yung pressure na yun. So you have to use integral from 0 to 5. So we are using calculator na lang, no, to integrate. Using calculator, and then be sure ano yan? Okay, be sure 1, and then integral, right? So integral of 10 plus 0.5 alpha x, palitan natin, no, from h to x, and then ang limit niya from 0 to 5, so equals to how much? 56.25 kilopascal. So our pressure is 56.25 kilopascal at a depth of 5 meters. Okay, so yan ang pressure natin, 56.25. O pag at a depth of 4 meters, palitan lang natin ito into 4. So sige daw, try natin kung magkano. Say delete, then sorry. Delete, then we try 4. That is 44. O pag 3 at a depth of 3 meters, ano ang pressure natin? How much? 32.25. Okay, at 3 meters, 32.25. Okay, so thank you for watching.